Okay, I have a very old iPhone 6s here, totally broken phone. I just want to show you how easy it is to refurbish this iPhone, and then what quite a lot of people do is resell it for a lot of money. To start off, I have the broken iPhone. You can see it's really broken. The only thing on this phone that still needs to work is the logic board. Also make sure the phone doesn't have iCloud lock, because that will make the phone useless as well. On this phone the logic board is still fine, but that's about the only thing. Then I go to a Chinese website called Taobao, like the eBay for China, and I basically order a complete new iPhone for a few bucks. The only part that is not included is the logic board. But that's exactly the part we will get from our old phone. 2 days later I receive my order. Let's see what's inside. Some tools, some bits and screws, the front screen and the complete rear housing. What I will do now is I swap the logic board from the old phone into the new phone, like this. If you also would like to do the swap, there are some good video tutorials on YouTube. I will put a link in the description box below. I disconnect the battery and remove the screen, and then I detach the logic board. Alright, here we have the logic board, the old phone, the new phone, time to swap. Assembling the logic board is basically the same thing, but then in the opposite order. Easy. And voila, I have a brand new iPhone. The only thing is I don't know anything about the internals of this phone. I don't know if the parts are original Apple or if it's all fake, and we have no idea about the history of the new phone. So yes, I'm not saying refurbished iPhones are bad, I just want you to make sure you know what you're buying. I'm quite happy with my new iPhone. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like, please subscribe.